Hey everybody, it's Shanna P and welcome to Techie Tuesday. Yes, it's a thing now.
As promised, I will show you a comparison of the videos taken using SJ4000 Wi-Fi and GoPro Hero 3 Plus Black Edition.
First, let's talk about the basic features of GoPro Hero 3 Plus Black Edition. It can take 4K videos and it has a 12 megapixel sensor, which means you can take true 12 megapixel pictures using this camera. Wi-Fi for remote monitoring and control, and the price, almost $400 according to the official website. SJ Cam, on the other hand, can take 1080p videos at 30 frames per second, a definite downgrade compared to GoPro's 4K videos at 60 frames per second. Its 2 megapixel sensor is also incomparable to that of the GoPro. At least it also has a Wi-Fi to connect with your Apple and Android devices, and it only costs $120. What a great difference. Buy now and we'll add not 1, not 2, but 3 seconds of lame joke. Ha! Alright, now let's go back to business. Obviously, GoPro is dominant over SJ4000 Wi-Fi, but for comparison's sake, we're gonna set both cameras at 1080p 30 frames per second on auto white balance. Of course, raw and unretouched. Alright, enjoy the clips and you be the judge.
Investigation course, di napili siya sa top 10. Busa di sa ilang pag-ayo ang pamilya o kaubanan ni SB1 Estrada sa kahit na kamatayon ni Ini.
Hi, Ricky. So, tanang dapat na kung ipangutana sa iya, iya pumitugan sa mga ni dapat baton. Tuluan niya.
Atong na tayo lang yun. Siyempre, kulang
Now,
na resistensya. Hindi siya ka pagdula o ganda init pa siya kaayo. So, ang iyang ko na ato. So, tayo na hit niya. Masala siya makabanding sa iyang kauban ng polis.
O kaya na bad attitude ka na siya nga, hindi lang nakasudlaan, okay lang daw, pero hindi lang nakasudlaan daw.
this was helpful for you, don't forget to click the thumbs up button and like this video. For comments and questions, feel free to write it down below in the comment box. And subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Thank you for watching, I'll see you next time. Bye!